Hello, everybody, and welcome back. One of the most exciting features that you will make available for your members is the web integration. Make sure that you're in contact with your customer success manager to make sure that the web integration is embedded properly onto your website or onto your Facebook business page. Before that, however, there are some things that you can do right now to get started. On the right side of the screen, there's the menu icon. So you want to click on that and click on Web Integration. You can customize the web integration's look by putting in the background color, the highlight color, and the text color of the web integration. Usually, studios add in colors that are aligned with their own website and brand. If you don't know the hex codes of your website colors, that's all right. Our team can help you here. You can choose how you would like your classes to appear, whether it's going to be in the day view, the list view, or the week view. Please note that if you're looking at the web integration on a mobile phone, it's always going to default to the day view. You can also customize your website integration features. You can show past classes. For those of you who are using the Glofox app on our Gold and Platinum packages, you can include the app download link. If you have the Platinum Plus package with the standalone app, we can send you the direct share links to your own app. If you only have classes and memberships, you can toggle off courses, trainers, and facilities as they are not applicable to your business. You can also choose which filters that you'd like to see, as well as toggle between the details for the events that you want to include. Just make sure that when you're done, you click on Update for the changes to save. On the bottom of the screen, you can get your link, and you can also get your share link as well. You don't have to worry about this now. Again, the team will help you embed the web integration into the website for you. To learn more about social booking, make sure to watch our videos in our Before You Launch course.